Good evening. Got a 12.65 pound brisket. Choice. USDA choice. Gonna trim it up, put all the hunks of fat in this foil pan, put it on the diffuser, throw it in the Oklahoma Joe Bronco overnight. It is 18 minutes to 12 a.m. Got the 2.0 coals going in the chimney. Gonna get her up to temp, throw her on, and go to bed. Brisket is trimmed. I cut out most of the decal that I could get at. Most of the fat on the point. I left some on the flat, seasoned with some Holy Voodoo and some SBG. Put all the fat trimmings in the foiled pan that's gonna go sit on top of the diffuser. And I'm using B&B charcoal briquettes. I have layered the bottom layer, save for a little divot right there on the side where I'm gonna dump my coals. A couple of 3x3 splits of oak and hickory. And I've got B&B in the chimney, getting ready to go. I'm gonna get her up to temp, somewhere between 210 and 230, hopefully right around 220. And I'm gonna go to bed. Got the S1 to monitor the temps, and we'll throw it on here in just a second. Got the chimney down on one side of the basket. I'm gonna put the diffuser in and bring her up to temp. Good morning, everybody. It's been about 5 hours. I woke up and about an hour and a half ago she jumped up to 300 degrees. So I turned down the top vent a tad and the intake about halfway from where it was. So we're getting back down there, 243, and we'll check it in a minute. 6 hours in, managed to get the fire under control. It did rain last night. I don't have the Brizo fan. Possibly get it, not that big a deal. A little temperature spike. We're at 221 right now, 6 hours in. What's up, guys? 11 hours in. One of my videos or clips that I took, I inadvertently took it in slow-mo mode. So I don't have that part. I apologize. 11 hours in, like the 9.5, 10-hour mark, I was at 150. I took some of the beef tallow that was rendering on the diffuser with my foil pan with my fat trimmings. I wrapped it in butcher paper and stuck a probe in it and added a couple more coals because I thought I was going fishing this morning. Did I need to? No, I could have probably gone another hour or so, hour and a half, but I just threw a handful of more coals on there and got her back up to 225. You know, she's bouncing anywhere from 215 to 230, right around in there. So we're running good. I stuck a probe in it. It's about 170 degrees internal, 217 on the old S1 Pro, and we're just plugging along here. And here we are 17 hours later, including a 2-hour rest. 15-pound brisket. Here we go, guys. 17-pound brisket on the Oklahoma Joe Bronco. Let's slice her up. Okay, we got the flat, we got the point. She looks pretty decent for a choice brisket. Not bad, huh? A little dry on the flat, I think. I haven't tried it yet, but Not too shabby. Oklahoma Joe Bronco 2.0.